Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put Freon in a Dodge Journey. Before we begin, it's super important to prioritize safety. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from refrigerants and potential hazards. Make sure your engine is completely off and cool to the touch. This ensures a safe working environment as we prepare to locate the low-pressure service port. Now that we've covered safety, let's connect the recharge kit. Take the quick connect fitting on your refrigerant hose and firmly attach it to the low-pressure service port. You'll hear a click when it's properly seated, ensuring a tight seal. Once connected, start your Dodge Journey's engine and set the air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. With the engine running and AC on high, it's time to add the refrigerant. Hold the can upright and slowly squeeze the trigger, allowing the refrigerant to flow into the system. Keep a close eye on the pressure gauge. You want to reach the recommended pressure range, typically between 25 and 45 psi. Shake the can gently every 10 to 15 seconds for best results. Once the pressure gauge indicates the correct level, typically around 35 psi, you can disconnect the recharge hose. Quickly pull back on the quick connect fitting to remove it from the low pressure port. Now, feel the air coming from your vents. It should be noticeably colder. If your AC still isn't blowing cold, it might indicate a larger leak or a different issue, and professional help is recommended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.